last year in May, I was commissioned by Apples and Snake to write a poem, and it's a longer version of my original story novel. Poem, which is called Sympathy for the Dandelion again. So in short, the novel is intended to connect with my daughter and their generation, and I feel that you have to take the attitude that every negative, with every negative there's a positive. This poem is called Sympathy for the Dandelion. Imagine yourself in a boat floating out at sea, lying back, looking up the clouds. What can you see? A dog jumping across the sky? A dragon puffing fire? A huge teddy bear, perhaps? Now, imagine yourself in a fish in a glass bowl. I dare you to take the drive through the childhood memories of an 8-year-old leaving North Vietnam as a boat refugee. Then, close your eyes. The vast ocean will end one day, I hope, as beautiful as freedom might be, painting my future dreams steering across the sea, only to realize that the steerer is not me. Night creeps in, unease chewing into the darkness as wordless secret unwrapping. She shivers like petal in the wind. The road become the bus become the train become the boat, and the boat becomes the ocean. In that teardrop she heard, farewell, may the wind be your guide, my child. She caught the word as they fade into nothingness. To be cruel is to be kind, as a promise of better life. Yet the changing wind whisper away her identity. Half-abandoned hopes rise and fall, the ocean of time as it stands. A being at present, a pendulum live. Shivering in the dark, today she escaped. Night creeps in. Would I ever know what's on the other side, through this dark tunnel slide? And if I ever arrive, and what it means to be alive? Would I ever know what it's like being a child in foreign lands? Would they put me in factories sorting tin cans? Would I be a servant or a slave for those who could afford to pay? Would I ever understand why you sent me away? I would never replace you for another. In tears she replied, my dear daughter, you will understand one day, the day you become a mother. From the harbour Haiphong, an insignificant butterfly fluttered in the dark trying to get free. A traitor's spy slipping into the silent night, changing, adapting, disguised. I, who escaped and was written out history. Through the forest of bamboo whistling in the wind, a passage to Hong Kong, the promised land, arriving at the glass and concrete jungle rising into the clouds, empty-handed, but not alone. A sheltered life, a western dream, like a fish in a glass bowl, with all creature comfort one's needs. Food, clothes, yes, iPod, we. But yet life is bland, like food without spice. On the other side, your day is my night, like a flower among the weed. Oh, dandelion, dandelion, how beautiful you are. Your bright yellow flower make me feel alive, that springs have finally arrived. You survive in any nook and cranny, outlive even the oldest granny. I love you, and I fear you. Your innocent beauty is like a dart, straight to my heart. But, I beg your pardon, not in my bark garden.